Hull breach. All crew report to emergency stations.
Get damage control to the port side now.
Five, four, three, two, one, mark. Detonation.
تبریک میگم. قدرت تخریب عالی بود.
واقعا افتخارآمیزه.
آفرین.
Breaking news this hour, the situation in the Strait of Hormuz has escalated dramatically. Oil prices have surged to unprecedented levels. We are seeing unprecedented movement in the oil markets. Brent crude surging past the $110 mark. Now we are actively monitoring the situation. Our forces are deployed to ensure stability in the region and protect vital interests.
With an estimated 6,000 mines now deployed, commercial shipping is being diverted.
The challenge here is significantly greater than in 1991. We are looking at months, perhaps longer.
As the crisis deepens, we must ask how they are able to sustain the conflict. We go inside Iran's mine production.
Behind me is one of the most cost-effective weapons factories on Earth, turning ordinary steel plates into 6,000 sea mines.
As an arm. The rotating positioner allows for a consistent application of the MIG weld, creating that characteristic rippled fish.
Easy now, easy. Bring it down slow.
Watch the alignment on the far side. We need to clear the sensor array. 45, 46, 47. Yes, mark it right there for 50 meters.
The pole confirms it's holding steady at the preset depth.
Transducer reading matches exactly. Buoyancy is stable.
Disconnect confirmed. Start the wind.
Winding steady, tension stable.
Anchor secure, beginning banding sequence now.
We finished the casing on this batch, but the sealant on Unit 42 is still tacky. Give it another 15 minutes before you move it to the conveyor.
Got it. Anything else I should watch for?
Tighten the straps on the rear pallet.
We need more tension on this side.
Type 3 is outpacing the others, but the overall total is strong.
We should hit the milestone before the shift ends.
Make sure the cost figures are accurate.
Here on the left. Move the net over the top.
MV Centaurus to Port Authority, maintaining course through the strait. ETA revised to 0400. Over.
Moving to waypoint Charlie, bearing 045. Hold steady for the next drop in 2 minutes.
Systems check complete. Targeting active. Weapon status is green. Ready for deployment.
Confirmed. 5 knots. Sonar deployment in 2 minutes. All lookouts. Eyes sharp.
Contact Sierra 5. Classification confirmed mine. High confidence.
Roger that. Mark it red on the chart.
At the 1991 rate of 17.8 mines per day, clearing the current field will take at least 300...
Pass the ball, quick! I'm open, shoot it now! Go, go, defense, don't let them score!
Is that all the rice we get today?
Yeah, rations are tight.
The economic impact continues to mount, with crude oil now at $114 a barrel. The daily cost of the blockade is...
The mathematical mismatch is clear. For every mine painstakingly removed, several more are rapidly deployed, meaning the minefield is actually growing. The closure of the Strait of Hormuz immediately fragments global trade. As routes
What do you mean it's canceled? I have to be in Berlin today.
Sir, we are experiencing unprecedented disruptions.
How are we supposed to get home now?
Due to the jet fuel shortage, all flights are canceled until further notice.
As the red line shows, the divergence from projected growth represents a cumulative loss of 2.8 trillion.
This production by NextForge Labs is created for educational and illustrative purposes using advanced AI technologies. Every frame in this video has been transformed through a multi-stage editing process. From GIF conceptualization to video generation, human creativity leads every step. NextForge Labs channel is dedicated to original AI craftsmanship and follows all 2026 YouTube monetization rules.